we're gonna be talking about how Google charges you, okay? So Google charges you, the way that Google charges you, contrary to Facebook, which charges on impressions, is per click, okay? So people on Google, when you run an ad on Google, you don't get charged unless that person that sees your ad clicks on your ad. They have to click on it, and then that is when you're charged for that ad. If no one clicks on your ad, no one's interested in your product, and they don't click on it, guess what? You're not charged anything. So that's obviously a very big benefit. The next one here is ads shown based on queries. So queries is when you type something into Google and then it basically shows you the ad. So the beauty of Google is that people are already searching for it. So it's not like you have to research an audience of people to show them the ad. You don't have to like pinpoint who's your perfect audience, which you can optimize. But at the end of the day, it shows your product based on queries. It shows it to people who are interested and actively looking for your product. So that's another great thing I love about Google. The next point, and we talked about here, we need creative videos and pics to get people's attentions using Facebook, but with Google, there's no creatives necessary, none whatsoever. So Google, the way that it works is, and the way that we sell our products is through shopping, okay? And what shopping allows us to do, it allows us to just put all of our stuff on our store, our product with a title, with a description, with the product images, and Google just picks out that information and puts it on Google Shopping. So we don't need any of this stuff. We don't need no creatives whatsoever. Google handles the heavy lifting for us. And last but not least, I know we talked about cold audience that buys on impulse, and I just got a sign in the back that says talk a lot slower. So we got warm audience over here. You guys understand what I'm just messing with you guys. Warm audience. Last but not least, probably one of the most important points about Google is the warm audience. So since Google shows your ads based on queries, meaning like keywords, stuff like that, it shows that those products to people who are already looking for them. You are gaining, you're being exposed to a warm audience. It's people who are already looking for the product. So when you pop up, they're like, hey, this is exactly what I was looking for. I'm gonna go ahead and buy this. So it's people who are actively looking for the products. I broke a sweat and I refreshed.
Loosened up a little bit.
Yeah, we're good now. So guys, just to recap everything, talk about Facebook, how we are charged. We're charged on impressions, meaning everybody that sees your ad, you're paying for everyone that sees your ad. You have to research the audience. So that's some time that you're gonna have to put into researching the audience, because if you're showing your ad to people who are seeing it and that don't care about your product, you're gonna spend a lot of money. You have to create a video and pictures so that you can advertise, and you're selling to a cold audience, people that buy on impulse. So that's just things that we're talking about Facebook. Now, Google. So the difference here with Google is that you get charged per click. If people don't click on your ad, they're not getting charged, or you're not getting charged. All right? People have to click on your ad, and that's when you get charged. Ads are shown based on queries, meaning whenever people type in keywords to Google, that's when your ad gets shown. Absolutely no creatives necessary. Google pulls that straight from your store. They do all the heavy lifting when it comes to that. And the most important part is that it's a warm audience that's actively looking for your products. So guys, if you guys want to screenshot this, take a picture. What do you guys think? Guys, let me know. Like if you guys had to start advertising right now, where would you put your money? You tell me. I can give you a little overview of how it all works. I'm actually going to talk about the next stage here, which is the Google Cash Machine. Kind of give you guys a little bit more of an insider look as to how this process works. But yeah, it's very simple, and it's actually a lot easier than Facebook.